In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing pages in GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First off, let's begin by understanding what a landing page is. Essentially, a landing page is a standalone web page that is designed specifically for a marketing or advertising campaign. The purpose of this page is to convert visitors into leads. It's where you want to direct your audience to take action, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, downloading an ebook, or making a purchase. So how do we create an effective landing page in GetResponse? First, you need to log in to your GetResponse account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard, and you should see a menu. From here, navigate to the Landing Pages option. Click on it, and you will be taken to a section where you can see all your landing pages if you have any created already. If not, that's no problem. We're here to create your very first landing page. You'll find a button that says Create Landing Page. Click on that, and it will take you to a template selection page. Now, GetResponse offers a variety of templates that are designed for different types of marketing strategies. You might want a clean look for a lead magnet or something more vibrant for a promotion. Browse through the options, and when you find one that resonates with your campaign, click Select. After selecting the template, you'll be taken to an editing screen. Don't worry if you're not particularly tech-savvy. GetResponse has a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor that's really intuitive. On this page, you can start customizing your landing page to fit your brand and your goals. Let's start with the header. You can click on the text and edit it directly. Make sure your headline grabs attention. This is the first thing your visitors will see, so use impactful words. You might even consider a question that resonates with their pain points. Next, think about what kind of content you want to include. You can add images, videos, and text blocks with just a click. When adding images, ensure they are high quality and relevant to your message. It's important to keep your visuals engaging without overwhelming your visitors. Speaking of content, don't forget to add a call to action, or CTA. This could be a button that says Get Started or Download Now. It's essential that this button stands out. Choose a color that contrasts with the rest of your design, and make sure the text is clear and action-oriented. After all, this button is what you want visitors to click on. Once you've finalized your content, it's time to move down to the form section. You'll want to collect information from your visitors, like their name or email address. GetResponse allows you to customize the fields in the form. Keep it simple. The less information you ask for, the higher your conversion rates are likely to be. Now let's talk about the settings of your landing page. There are a few things you'll need to do here. Make sure to give your landing page a unique name. Think about SEO too. You can include keywords related to your campaign in the page title and description to help it be found easier in search engines. Lastly, don't forget to preview your landing page. GetResponse has a handy preview feature so you can see exactly how it will look on both desktop and mobile devices. After checking everything and ensuring that it looks great on all devices, you're ready to hit that Publish button. Congratulations! You have just created a landing page in GetResponse. It's an exciting moment because this page can be your key to converting visitors into leads. Remember to track the performance of your landing page. GetResponse provides analytics tools that allow you to see how well your page is doing. And there you have it, a step-by-step process to create landing pages in GetResponse. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful content.